Hello beautiful people, you're welcome again to my channel. This is Skin Illustrations with Cindy. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my exfoliating and glow body mist. I'll be making use of alpha hydroxy acids and other ingredients. You know, sometimes some parts of your skin are darker than the rest of the skin and you have scrubbed, you have done some things to clear it out, you used some creams to take them out, and yet they are still there. This glow body mist will help you soften that part of the skin, exfoliate it and take it out with time. So guys, I don't want you to go anywhere. I want you to stay with me and see how I make my body mist. And above all, I also want you to try it and leave your review on my channel's comment section. So guys, let's get to work. I need for the glow and exfoliating body mist are glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid, lactic acid too, and salicylic acid. These acids are called alpha hydroxy acids and they help in brightening your complexions, exfoliating the skin, taking out dead cells from the skin. They are very good in softening the skin and making the skin look brighter and fairer. So I'm going to use these three ingredients, these three AHAs in my glow body mist. Also, I'll be adding my glycerin and rose water to the body mist, and my hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is actually being produced by the body, but as you age, your body starts to produce less of hyaluronic acid, making your skin to dry out and look less hydrated. So you need to, as you age, you need to apply additional hyaluronic acid on your skin to maintain the moisture of your skin and not allow your skin to dry out or to flake out. So I'll be adding hyaluronic acid to my body mist. Then to dissolve my powders, I'll be using propylene glycol. Also, I'll be using mandelic acid for this body mist. And I'll be using drops of lemon oil, lemon essential oil. I'll be adding that to the mist. Here I have my salicylic acid and mandelic acid measured out already. I have here 20 grams of salicylic acid and 10 grams of my mandelic acid. I'll be adding propylene glycol to it, about 15 ml, to melt it and turn it into a solution. I'll mix it and drop it while I continue with the rest of the ingredients. So here in my mixing bowl, I'll be adding 10 ml of my glycolic acid. You know, one beautiful thing about AHAs, apart from exfoliating your skin, they also prevent acne and pimples and also clear out dark spots and age spots on the skin. The next thing I'm going to add is my lactic acid, and I'll be adding 30 ml of my lactic acid. That's 2 tablespoons. Then I'll be adding my glycerin and rose water. Rose water is a great hydrator. Likewise, glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant and an emollient. Helps in softening the skin and retaining water on the skin. So I added 2 tablespoons of that. And here is my hyaluronic acid. I'll be adding 30 ml of that too. It's a little bit slimy. Then I'll be checking on the salicylic and mandelic that I put aside. I'm going to add the melted part of the powder. I'm not going to add a powder granules. That's it. This is a remnant. If I left it for more time, everything would have melted. Then the next is drops of my lemon oil essential oil. I need just about 3 drops of it. So stir everything together. Using a funnel, pour into a spray bottle. One beautiful thing about this mixture is that it can be used by all skin types, and it exfoliates the skin mildly, clears dark spots, and brightens the skin. It can also be used for stretch marks. If you have stretch marks on any part of your skin, use this glow mist on that part of the skin and you'll be amazed at how it's going to clear out. You are not supposed to use this mixture immediately. You are supposed to allow it sit for at least 48 hours before use. So guys, you can go ahead and make this glow and exfoliating body mist and let me know how yours turned out. Till next time guys, I remain Cindy.